A colleague from work introduced me to fried green tomatoes. The first time I tried them, I was instantly hooked. Since then, I've enjoyed making them every now and then, and they never disappoint. They're crispy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. I'm starting with some freshly picked greenish tomatoes that I've washed nicely. Start by trimming off the ends of the tomatoes that you don't need. Then carefully slide the tomatoes into even pieces, as thick or thin as you like. Next, place some paper towels on a tray and spread the tomato slice out in a single layer. The paper towels help to soak up any extra moisture from the tomatoes. Next, season the tomato slice with a generous sprinkle of salt on both sides. Allow them to sit for a few minutes so they can sweat and release any extra liquid. In a separate bowl, crack your eggs and whisk them until smooth. Add your seasonings of choice. Adjust to your taste and whisk them again to combine all the flavors. Next, in a separate bowl, combine half a cup of cornmeal with one third of a cup breadcrumbs. Add your favorite seasonings and mix everything together until well combined. This coating is what will give the tomatoes their delicious crispy texture. Now for the fun part. Dip each tomato slice into the egg wash, then use your other hand to coat it generously in the cornmeal and breadcrumbs mixture. I won't lie, this part can get a little messy. To make things easier, use one hand for the wet ingredients and the other hand for the dry ingredients. Trust me, it helps keep your coating mixture nice and clean instead of turning into one big sticky mess. Heat about half an inch of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Fry the tomato slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and crispy. Once the tomatoes are beautifully golden brown and crispy, remove them from the oil and place them on a tray lined with paper towels. Allow them to rest for a few minutes so the paper towel can absorb any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy golden fried tomato. I enjoy it with a dip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipe. Thank you.